I'm Lauren, I'm the owner of Wild Thing Cafe and we're based in Cael's Community Centre. Wild Thing exists to make good food accessible for everyone. So we do that by providing healthy food through a 100% vegan menu, but making sure that everyone's able to eat with us. So we now have the model where we have suggested prices on the menu. People can pay whatever works for them though. So if someone comes in and they're like, I've got £5, can I still eat with you? We say absolutely. We just want anyone to be able to eat with us. So we just don't want money to be a barrier for people to have good, healthy, nourishing food.
My name's Laura and I run the Tidy Kitchen company. We are a fresh food catering company. We're trying to solve the problem of fast food or convenience food being unhealthy. Normally, corporate food, for anybody that's ever worked in an office will understand the beige sandwiches, the packets of crisps, the fizzy pop options at lunchtime. Healthy food doesn't have to be restrictive or boring in any way. It's about creating a balanced lunch offering that tastes great, keeps you going all day, and just is delicious.